Mustang Coupe.
And even though Michael Wright, I know you're out in the Netherlands saying, no, Will, don't go modern, don't go modern. Well, if a car like this restoration project kind of semi falls in my lap, you guys will see me build another car. I don't really want to do the 71 again because I've got 500 videos on restoring a 71 Fastback. Although I love the body style, don't get me wrong. I would not reject it if somebody offered it to me. But I would like to do a 67, 68, 69, maybe even a 70 Fastback. Doesn't have to be a Mach 1. I'm going to be driving the thing around and not worrying about it, if you know what I mean. Thank you, Ed. That was a lot of coverage on that car. You got the lot number, back it up if you didn't hear it. Remember, I'll say it again, and then we will move on. 1074, 35.9. Wait a minute. It's got to be a GT. It's got all the GT markings on it. I don't understand. You got to check this out. You see, Ed, you got to find out this is a real GT. Otherwise, it is a tribute car with the GT package, but it looks like a GT. Oh, what's it say? Bringing up the rear is a GT emblazoned gas filler cap chrome. I don't see it here, you guys. If you can see this on video and read the whole thing, go for it. I don't know if it's a real GT, but it's definitely a GT package. Okay. Can you tell I like the Mustangs? All right, moving on. What is that?
Toyota Land Cruiser.
How many are in the country? We have no idea, do we?
We don't have any idea, but the owner did import it from Australia or the UK.
Let me turn it around. A Toyota Land Cruiser?
Yeah.
Wow, check this out. A Toyota Land Cruiser. Oh, we're gonna do, Ed's opening the gate, so we're gonna do a quick pan around on this thing. How much is this thing?
$54,900.
$54,900.
1971. It's
71?
Yes.
Wow, 71 Toyota Land Cruiser.